Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can able to make $10 from Btcbankweb. So if you know you are new to this channel, kindly hit up the subscribe button, turn on the notification, like, comment and share. So guys, this is actually the website I'm telling you how you can make $10 from this website. This website just launched. It's not even up to 4 days now, so and they are paying. The status of this website is currently paying. So you can check here. This is the name of the website. After that, I'm going to drop a link in the description of this video which will direct you to where I'm located here, the register page. So you select your country from here, then you select the country you're from. I'm from Nigeria. So here is Nigeria. After selecting the country you're from, then you put in the phone number you're willing to use to register. So after putting in your phone number, you put in your real name. You can translate the website on the description here. You can translate it to English if you know you are not understanding. On the second page, you put in your real name. Let me set. So you put in the verification code. Here is where you should get the verification code. As you can see, 9132. So you put in the verification code. You put in your login password, confirm your login password, and click on register. After you have registered, it will automatically login, and if it does not automatically login, then you click on this page. So you go to the footer, you see login here around the side and cycle, then you click on the login. Then after you click on the login, you select the country you are from again. Let me choose Nigerian. Then you input your phone number and password and click on login. Then you input your number and your username. You can also click on remember me username and password. Then you click on login. So as you can see, I've logged into my account. You can see on the right top of your dashboard. So you click on your account, then you will see on the right top of your dashboard, you will see recharge account. If you're willing to recharge your account and start making money. So on this website, the minimum you can make per day is 0.9 USDT. That's 0.9 USDT. So you can recharge your account. Here is the procedure on how you can recharge your account. You click on the USDT if you're willing to recharge with the USDT, and if you are willing to recharge with the bank transfer. As you can see, these are the country available. You can choose Uganda, Venezuela, South Africa and others. Then you can also click on USDT. So the best option to recharge is using USDT. So you click on TRC20, or you click on TRC20, you input the deposit address, enter rename, send transfer screenshot and said make deposit now. So after you make a deposit, your deposit will reflect on this dashboard here. So as you can see, wait, deposit. you will read here. This is the address you are copying, so you have to read here. The fund BSD you can use work and contact automatically. So I think the minimum you can deposit is 10 USDT. So after you make a successful deposit, you come back here. And click on mining machine. So after that, you select the mining machine you're willing to buy. Let me say this one. This one is a gift. Then you select number one mining machine, which is 10 days. That's it. I think you have to deposit $15. Okay, 15 USDT. So we click on buy now. Okay, that's it, 10 USDT, 10 USD. Then you click on confirm. If your deposit is successful, then they will withdraw it and you will start mining. So, and the minimum you can earn on this one is 1 point something. But if you are not, so if you don't have money to recharge, or you don't have, so you can refer 10 friends. So if you refer 10 friends, they will give you automatical mining machine, which will give you 0.9 USDT. As you can see, recommended 10 people will be given a mining machine, limited one purchase. So the mining machine will expire in 3 days. After that, after you have made this one, you can use the money to also purchase this one. So if you know you can make a deposit on this thing, on this website now, you can also invite 10 people so that you can able to make money on this machine. So if you know you are new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification, like, comment and share.